Good morning, everyone. I am on my way to... Whoop. It's really wet here, so I gotta watch it. I'm on my way to the Coron ports, and we are catching a ferry to El Nido. I already paid and everything, and they're boarding in 5 minutes. And from here to El Nido is about 3.5, 4 hours, something like that. I can't remember, but the trip costs about, I think, 2,500 pesos or 2,400 pesos or something like that. I decided to do this because we've been taking planes all over the place, from Clark to Cebu to here. So we decided to change it up and take the ferry and see what type of experience that is. We're heading to the ports now, and it's so wet and dirty here. So yeah, we're heading to the ports now, and then I already checked in. They're probably gonna want to search me again because I came outside for some food, some noodles and some eggs, and it was perfect. So we're here at the port, so I don't know if I can use my camera, so yeah, so I got through okay. Now I'm about to sit down. So what you do is you get your bags and you line them up here, and then you just sit and wait. But yeah, that's the boat. Oh, that's the boat right there. That's the boat. This place is heavily guarded. This fan feels so good. But yeah, we're gonna jump on the boat in about 5-10 minutes, and then we're on our way. All right, we're off. This is the boat, and we're about to board. Morning. We're on our way. It's raining. I took this trip because I thought it would be very scenic, but it's kind of wet and rainy outside, so I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully everything goes well, but it's nice and smooth. They did offer Wi-Fi, but there's no Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is down, so I don't know. I guess we just gotta wing it out for 3 or 4 hours. But yeah, this is the scene right here. We're in the main strip in El Nido, and we still have our bags. We're waiting for our Airbnb to give us access. We have like a couple hours, but right now I'm looking for a laundry mat to do our clothes. We need it. Nice little bar. I know there's a laundromat somewhere here. I just don't know where it is. I'm not sure where it is, but I'm gonna find it. It's somewhere up here. I'm gonna have to check my phone and see where it is. So here's the tours. I heard tour A and B are the two better ones, so we're probably gonna do A for sure. Oh, they have a liquor store and everything here. Look at this. So much different than Coron. Alright, we found our laundromat. Like halfway down the strip. It's right here. Wash and dry. David's Laundry Service. There's another one like further up there, but I didn't want to walk that far with my bags. So whatever. I don't know how much it costs, more or less. But I didn't really want to walk that far with it, so I decided to just use this one. But from here, I want to find out about the scooters, and then maybe we could just bike up to the house. And I think that's probably the best bet. So, and all the tours are like the same. They're all the same price. It really doesn't even matter where you get it from. They're all the same price. So, and there's a ton of them here. You can probably actually go down by the water how we did it. But I don't think we're gonna do private. We're probably gonna do joiners this time. Just to see the experience, see how people are, meet new people. The private tour was good, and if you can afford it, I do recommend it. But this time around, we're gonna do the joiners, most likely. We don't know yet, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, there's adventure tours everywhere. Look, all there. We stopped up to this Greek place. It's called Athena up there. Look at this view. We're eating like right at the view. So we're gonna eat here, get something. By the time this is done, we'll be able to get the bikes and then go to the hotel room. So when we're done eating, we'll head out. We just arrived at our Airbnb, and I was quite surprised. This place is like in a rural jungle, muddy roads and everything. And then I get to this house and it's this. So let's do a little tour. I was quite surprised. So you get in, look at this place. So we have here the pool area. Nice little lounge. I love the way they did this. Right. Mind you, the pictures on the internet look amazing. I didn't think it would be in an area like this, but this is beautiful. Each night it was 100 Canadian a night, 110 Canadian a night or something like that. It's usually a lot more. I don't know why I got a discount, but it's usually a lot more. But I pay like 105 or $10 a night. I'm here for 2 nights, so it's not bad. So this is bedroom 1. Nice, clean, well kept, smells good. This is beautiful, man. This is nice. This is beautiful. The bathroom. Everything's clean. The shower. And this is the second bedroom. Pretty much the same. But what a surprise. that I was at this place. I don't see no air con. Oh, there it is. There's the air condition. Let's put this air conditioner on. Yeah, but this is the kitchen. I don't know what's in here. Let's check. Oh, it's locked. I'm not sure what that is, but here. Kitchen. Freezer. Nothing in it. You have your essentials here. This is like a villa, really. So yeah, what a place. I'm gonna show you the entrance. The only reason why I can't show you the entrance, I can't film, because I need two hands on the on the bike because it's really muddy. Yeah, so they do have a refrigerator here, a charge thing. You could just tick off what you want or what you've taken, and they'll bill you accordingly. They'll give you all the details you need of where you want to go eat, attractions, all that stuff. So we'll be checking that out. Menus, places to eat, and I'm not sure. Oh, gift voucher, 20% off. Yeah, so it's a very nice spot, very clean. The owners were really cool, mad cool people. This bathroom, man, I can't get over it. It's a nice bathroom. Yeah. So, yeah, so this is us for the next couple days. Right here. Look at that. This is the entrance. These are the mopeds or the scooters we rented. The scooters were 600 Canadian a day for every 24 hours. So.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Good, good. We're gonna go to the corner store and see. Let's get a couple things for the fridge. But like, look at this. I think they're building up here too. But you would never expect a house like this to be in a neighborhood like this. It's like mucky. Like, look at this. We almost wiped out riding our bikes in here. See what I mean? Like, look at this. Look at that road. Don't get me wrong, I'm not dissing the neighborhood or anything like that, but you would never expect that house to be in the vicinity of this, right? No disrespect to anybody, but here, chicky, 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 chicky. Here, chicky, chicky, chicky. I have to come back and get on some dry land. Like, look at this. I don't even know if I can walk here. This is crazy, bro. I'm going on people's lawn. Oh, is that like a... Oh. Like, look at that house. Look at that house. So nice that is. I don't know, maybe they're building up here. I don't know. And then the concrete road starts right there. Like, it ends right there, and then after this is just mud all the way down. But yeah, we're gonna stop here and grab something, some snacks, or whatever. But yeah, it's right here. You just come outside. There's the entrance. There's the entrance, Hama Villa. So if you look for it, look for Hama Villa.